I know this is a survival video, but I have a very important rule I live by. I don't mind being cold, I don't mind sleeping on the ground, and I don't mind being hungry. But I only do one of those things at a time. So tonight, I'm eating like a king.
Got melted honey and butter. I'm gonna shake that up. Fresh warm bread and honey butter.
Add a little pepper, add a little salt, add some ground mustard. We're gonna put that right on the coals. Just like the bread, the coals are gonna stick to it while it's rare, and once it's cooked, the coals will fall off. Yes, that is perfect. Oh, check out the melted Gouda in there. That is so good. Oh, those are good beans.